Welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Em Beihold here for the first time on this channel with a song called Too Precious. Very easy to play this song, only 4 chords and a couple different strummings, but they are very easy as well. So let's start right away. We need to set our capo on the 1st fret to match up with this 4 great easy chords. So capo on 1st, and let's start with G. That is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. The next chord will be F sharp. So that's a bar on the 2nd fret, all strings. And the rest will be 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. Next chord will be B minor. Still a bar here on the 2nd fret, this time from A string and down, so 5 strings. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And the final chord will be D. So open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. So there we have it. Let's start right away. We have the B minor as the 1st chord here in the 1st verse. And we will look at the strumming, which will be very simple, just down clap. Okay, so like this. You will play the chord progression B minor for 2 rounds, then D for 2 rounds, then G for 2 rounds, and F sharp for 2 rounds. So if you look at that as 1 chord progression, you will play that for 2 rounds. So B minor 2, D2, G2, F sharp 2 times 2. All right. So I'm gonna play 1 round for you with the simple strumming down clap. It goes like this. Yeah, times 2, and that is your verse. And that takes us to the pre-chorus. So you will continue the same strumming and you will play other chords. And I'm just gonna speak meanwhile I'm playing because this is so simple, so I think we'll manage to go over this yeah, simultaneously speaking and playing. So let's start with G2, then F sharp 2, then B minor 2, and D2. Then G2 and F sharp 3 and a pause after that. So F sharp 3 plus a pause, and that builds up for the 1st chorus. In the lyrics, because according to you I'm too precious and you want her more reckless. Yeah, that's what she sings about. So we will have a new strumming pattern here, and since G is the 1st chord here for the chorus, we'll look at the strumming with the G chord. And the new strumming will be down, down, clap, down. Okay? So, down, down, clap, down. Down, down, clap, down. Alright? So, you will play 2 rounds of G1, F sharp 1, B minor 1, and D1. We're not finished after these 2 rounds, but we'll stop there and we have just 1 final part left there in the chorus part. But we will play 2 rounds of the strumming down, down, clap, down for G1, F sharp 1, B minor 1, and D1. So let's go. gonna end with the chord progression B minor, D, G, and F sharp. We'll play 4 downs per chord. So 4 downs like this, and that was the final part of the chorus. So that takes us to the second verse, and that one is played in the same way as the first verse, and the same goes with the pre-chorus number 2 right after, played in the same way as the first one. And then comes a second chorus. It's played in the same way as this first chorus we just learned, looked at, but you will skip the final chord progression there, B minor, D, G, and F sharp minor, not minor, F sharp, with the 4 downs per chord. Okay, so you just play the strumming parts, and that will be your second chorus. After this second chorus comes a bridge part. All right, so in the lyrics, I guess that you need your escape. So that's the lyric there. You're gonna play the same strumming as you play for the chorus. So the down, down, clap, down. And you're gonna play 1 round of G, 1 round of F sharp, just F sharp, then B minor 1 and D 1. That chord progression you're gonna play for 2 rounds. All right, so you basically just play in the same way as you play the chorus for another 2 rounds. So that's 1 round, and the second one. And that is the bridge parts. All right, that takes us to the third chorus. This one played in the same way as the other choruses, but you will just hit 1 down per chord. So nothing changes there, just 1 down per chord. And then follows another chorus right after, and this is played in the same way as the second chorus, which means it's without the ending there with the 4 downs per chord. All right, so just the 2 chord progression rounds with the strumming. And then comes after this fourth chorus, you can say, an outro part, played with the same strumming as in the chorus. And you will play G1, F sharp 1, B minor 1, D1 for 2 rounds. And the final round will end Em Beihold's Too Precious. So pretty easy. The down, down, clap down will dominate in this song when it comes to the strumming, and we have only 4 chords. Easy peasy, guys. So good luck with this one, guys, and play tuned.